Hello friends! In this video, I'm going to tell you about my experience with the Everlane High Rise Authentic Stretch Cigarette Jean. Welcome to the Dress Up Mom! But first, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you are a regular viewer and subscriber, I absolutely love you. Thank you so much. If you are new to the channel and you like what you see, please subscribe. It's just the button here. It means the world to me as I'm trying to grow this channel. Also give us a thumbs up if you like it. We are on all the social media outlets, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, at The Dress Up Mom, hashtag The Dress Up Mom, and you can check us out there too. I very rarely buy brand new jeans. I'm a vintage girl. I like to buy things resale. I love old Levi's 501s that I do all sorts of fun stuff with. But I've been hearing so much about Everlane's jeans and the way that they sort of support, lift, tuck in a comfortable way and make you look really nice. I also really like the company and some of the things that it stands for. I'm familiar with Everlane because I've been wearing their hipster cotton underwear for a couple years now. I read about them in the Wall Street Journal where they went and did a bunch of testing of different cotton briefs, and these came in the top, and I've really been enjoying wearing those. So I was familiar with the company and again wanted to test out their jeans. Now I don't have any skinny jeans and I thought I would try out one of their skinny jeans. I like a good classic look, so I ended up picking out the high-rise cigarette pant, and I liked the cut of them. It kind of goes to the ankle and has a real classic look. It kind of reminded me of kind of the Audrey Hepburn sort of a look with a turtleneck or something. So I thought I would like these, and I bought them in black in this authentic stretch. Now, in the past, when I have bought stretch jeans, they'll stretch out too much. Like when they first come, they're super tight. You put them on, you can hardly breathe, and then they stretch out, and after like a wearing or two, they end up being like so bad I'm constantly like pulling them up. So I was hoping this wouldn't be the case with these jeans. They arrive, they take about a week or so to arrive the way that I got them with sort of free shipping. And this is the packaging, this is how they looked. I really liked it. I thought it was very cool, and I love how the packaging also describes the different things. So in the jeans, they give you a whole idea of how they're doing it with better factories, better quality, better prices. They reveal the story behind every product. They call it radical transparency, which I really, really like. They do the denim in LEED certified factories with sustainability practices that are the most stringent in the industry, recycling 98% of the water, air drying the jeans, and they repurpose the denim byproducts to make bricks for affordable housing, okay? That's all lovely. So I love supporting ethical companies like this, and I was really hopeful that these jeans would be great. I tried them on, and at first I thought they were okay. They were tight, you know, but again, I was worried that maybe they would stretch out too much, so I thought I would wear them for a little while. But I was kind of disappointed in the length of them, particularly because I'm tall. I'm 5'10", and I definitely wanted them to be at the ankle or like a little bit below the ankle for that classic look. These were just a little bit too high up. Part of that problem, I think, was that they were bunching up at my thighs as well. I mean, I kind of have bigger thighs. I work out, so I have sort of muscly legs, and they were tight around there as well. So sadly, I decided, okay, I have to return these. Now, I bought them in my normal size, which is a 27, that's what I always wear, in jeans, and I decided to size up 2 sizes and get a 29. Now, I, for some reason, don't like, this is one of the things I don't like about shopping online. I'm not a big returner. I don't like the whole return process. I don't like having to like find a way to send it all back, print out my thing, wait for the money to come back. I had an option where I could have done an exchange, but you have to wait for the jeans to sort of get there. they process it, and then you can do the exchange. And I kind of wanted to get them sooner than that, so I decided to just do a return/refund, buy another pair so they would get here. And I'm glad I did, because it's taken quite a while for this refund. Actually, it's been a couple weeks and I haven't got my money back yet. I even emailed back to kind of see what the status was. Now, they did right away email me and say that, yeah, it takes a couple weeks, they're en route, and so I'm sure I will get my money back, but it seems like it's taken a little bit of a while. That's sort of one like negative that I would get. But when the new jeans came, these were great. Again, packaged really nicely. I was reminded about the good that the company does and that the way that the denim was made, so I liked that. But when I put these on, again, 2 sizes up, they were the perfect fit. They were not too big or too loose. They were just the right amount of tight, and the length was a lot better because there was a lot more room for them to sort of move around. Now, I was worried that because they were a little bit looser, that they might stretch out quite a bit. Again, this was an authentic stretch type of a fabric, that they might stretch out too much. But I'm very happy with the way that they wear, because I've now worn them a couple different times, a couple wearings without washing them, and it hasn't stretched out too much. If anything, there's this perfect sort of lift and tuck that they do. It's kind of like a comfortable girdle almost. I don't know how to explain it, but I really like how they look. I really like how they feel. And it was exactly the sort of classic look that I was going for, and I didn't have any pants like this. So I'm pretty happy with them. I think these are going to be my go-to nice sort of dark jeans that I can dress up, I can dress them down, I can wear them to work, I can wear them out. I think I'm going to just have these for a long time and really enjoy them. So I guess my experience would be that I sized 2 sizes up and was glad that I did. The refund's taking a little while, but I know that's standard. It'll happen. I'm not worried about that. I would love to know your Everlane stories, particularly if you're wearing their jeans, what you like, what you don't like, and leave that in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.